Good morning. Welcome to our beautiful spring garden. Spring has definitely sprung, and we're actually up here in our house garden where we've got a lot of our edibles. We do grow a little bit of our skincare herbs here, especially seeds. And I'm really excited today to show you our borage. Borage is a very versatile herb. There, yeah, exactly. Da-da-da. Look, I'll get a there's a little bee hanging around here. So borage, it's also known as bush bee, and that's because bees absolutely love it. It makes lovely honey. Have a little look at that. There you go, the beautiful borage. So borage, so it's also called bush bee, and that's because it makes amazing honey and the bees just love it. So it's a great companion plant in your garden in a permaculture system, because it's going to help with pollination of other plants, because it flowers pretty much. Oh my god, it can flower almost all year, can't it?
Yes, it can, and it's also a great addition to your compost.
Yep.
It's a great biomass. It's a great it's a great living mulch. Yeah, so it's a great thing to have to your permaculture garden. And
you can just lay it down onto the beds too, and it's a fantastic mulch. Now, what you do right to eat it, it's got like a bit of a nutty flavour. I'm getting over the garden bed here. So all you have to do here is pinch and pull. Oh, it's rained a little bit this morning, so it didn't come up quite well, but anyway, you eat it like that, straight off. It's got a bit of a nutty flavour, so you leave all the little fuzzy bits behind, and the black bits in the front there, they're actually, they're the seeds. Now, these guys, we let them just self-seed. Wherever they want to go, they can self-seed. You can actually preserve the flowers too. You can dip them in sugar and preserve them. You can eat the leaves as well. You can give them a little bit of a steam, and you can also put them in your stir fry. You can eat them like that too. I don't really like eating it like lettuce, but you can. Don't eat too much of it because it can affect your liver. But I love borage for skincare. So borage is a very good cleaner, and it's very good for the skin. It's high in omega-6, and omega-6 is really good for psoriasis, eczema, dermatitis as well, and it's a fatty acid basically, an essential fat. And now what you can do is you can get a whole heap of the borage flowers, and you can put it into, like, you can make a tea. All you need is a nice little cup, say a cup of hot water, and a nice handful of flowers, and you can steep it in the hot water and strain it, cool it, and you can put it into a little mister for your face to clean your face, or you can use it warm and clean your face like a toner, a face cleaner, a DIY face cleaner. Now you can also make a infused borage oil, and you can also make an infused tincture. So with a tincture, you can actually use it fresh. So you can use the leaves and the flowers fresh and chop it up, pack it into the jar, and then put your either 100 proof vodka. In Australia it's really hard to get 100 proof vodka, but you can get 60 to 80 is fine. And all you do is you're pouring it straight up to the top, and make sure there's no bubbles and no air gaps. And with the oil, same thing, but with oil you do have to dry off the leaves and the flowers. And now I can tell you what, these borage leaves, when they dry up to nothing. So you might have a nice handful, but it'll dry up to nothing. So make sure you do have quite a lot of leaf, and dry it off, chop it up, pack it right into the jar, and then pour your oil over. And that's it. And then you let it stand for about 2 months for the oil. So for a tincture with vodka, I mean, 6 months is good, but it can go for years, as long as you put the date on things. Oil is a little bit more tricky. It can go rancid, so you do have to keep an eye on it, keep the temperature pretty much at room temperature. So what's room temperature, Greg? It's what?
23, it depends where you live, but yeah, 23-ish degrees, yeah, 23, 24.
You don't want it too hot, you don't want it too cold. Too cold will solidify it, and too hot, it could go rancid. So today I'm going to pick a few and I'll take you inside and we'll just do a really quick video of how that looks to get it into a tincture. And also today is Hydrate Me Monday. So with a code today is Borage. You pop that in your shopping cart in Sarin Organics and you can get yourself some free shipping on no matter how big or small your order is, just on today, Hydrate Me Monday. So let's pick a bit and take her inside and let's make some oil or a tincture.